Okay, the last thing that I'm going to discuss is how to take the outputs or how to get the camera view output from this. And also one thing that I should have discussed initially, or you should have figured it out by now, how to save your files is the usual thing like file, save. You can save your file by file save, and the extension is .blend. So make sure you keep saving your work in between. For some reason, if something happens and you have not saved your work, then it will be very irritating. So save your work in between. Now if I wanted to take the output of this, first of all I will have to see where my camera is. So if this is a suitable view, the default location of the camera, it is fine. I can see the output by rendering this. So what I have to do is I have to go to the render and render image, not animation, fine. So say render image, and you will see the output. Depending upon your computer and this, you will get to see the output of your this thing. Okay, if you are satisfied with this output, you can save your image as JPG or something, and you can keep this. Press escape to come out of this. Now if you are not satisfied with this view, or you wanted a view from here or something like this, you will have to adjust the camera. Now grabbing the camera and moving it around is of no sense. So what we are going to do is, roughly what you have to do is you have to set the screen or scene in your position and press Ctrl Alt and 0 from the numeric keypad, and your camera comes into the required location. Fine. If still it is not suitable, then adjust your scene again, get out of the camera view, adjust your scene again and press Ctrl Alt 0, and your camera will be set over here. Fine. So this way, now when you take the render of this, you will get a different view. Okay, so let's take the render. Fine. F12 is the shortcut for render. You can press F12 also. So take the render of this. So this is another rendered view. You can see light reflecting on that. Now if you wanted to precisely set your camera within the camera view, go to this particular toolbox, the last thing that we could discuss. Go to view, and there is lock camera to view temporarily. Now when you move, you are moving from within the camera. Fine. And once you have set a suitable location, fine, remove this. Okay, your camera is now set, and now you can take the rendered output by pressing F12 or going to render. And you have the rendered output. So that basically covers the basic interaction with Blender. A lot of other things are there which you can explore on your own, see some videos, or let's see if we can have some detailed tour of Blender later on. Okay, thanks.